Drone shows are the future of visual entertainment. Instead of using fire, smoke and explosives, we tell stories through light, using fleets of synchronized drones that paint animations in the night sky. Our goal is simple but powerful. We want to replace outdated fireworks with a modern, sustainable and captivating alternative. Fireworks are loud, they pollute the air, disturb wildlife, leave behind toxic waste. With our solution, you get beauty, precision and zero environmental impact. It's magic without the damage.
We are Christian and Jakub, the founders of SkyVision. We met in high school while studying aeronautical engineering, and later we worked together at Diamond Aircraft on complex aerospace projects. During our time, we handled highly complex aerospace projects always as a team. The experience showed us not just how well we collaborate, but also how much untapped potential we had when combining deep engineering with clear business thinking. We started developing our own drone system 3 years ago. Today, we operate a self-built fleet, and SkyVision is the result of our combined vision, passion and drive. I am Jakub. I studied industrial engineering and worked 5 years in the aerospace sector. I focus on business strategy, operation and market positioning, bringing engineering and entrepreneurship together to create real-world impact.
I'm Christian, my background is in rotorcraft and special mission aircraft. I've worked on UAVs, helicopters and custom aircraft integrations. What excites me most is designing flying systems that are not only functional but meaningful. We're engineers at heart, but we're also problem solvers and creators. With SkyVision I can channel all my experience into building something that brings people together in a new way, without harming the environment. We believe the way that we celebrate should reflect the world we want to live in. And we want to help create that shift.
Our system is fully built in-house, custom-built drones, self-developed electronics and long-lasting batteries, all integrated into a design we have developed and assembled ourselves. That gives us independence and control over the entire value chain. Currently, we operate a fleet of fully functional drones that fly in precise, real-time formation. But that's just the beginning. We are continuing to improve the system, make it more scalable, more robust and easier to adapt to different use cases. Because we build everything ourselves, we can react quickly to custom needs, integrate new features rapidly, and stay far below the cost levels of most competitors. Our goal is to make professional drone shows accessible not just for big cities and festivals, but also for mid-sized events, weddings and regional tourism.
We've come far with limited resources, because we know how to build and we know how to learn fast. But now it's time to take SkyVision to the next level. The AWS First Incubator gives us what we need most right now: structure, access to mentors, help with legal topics and business building know-how. It's not just about funding, it's about being surrounded by the right people at the right time. We're ready to grow, and this program is a perfect launchpad.
We have built a system that's technically sound, environmentally cautious and visually stunning. But more than that, we've built a strong and reliable team. SkyVision isn't just about drones, it's about reimagining how we celebrate, how we tell stories and how we inspire. Thank you for your time and for the opportunity to present our project. We are excited to build something meaningful with your support and for the future.